Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying version 1. 4. 2 and turning on developer options so debug spawns work. This matters because spawn variants locks modes. Next, gather the 3 essentials: silver key, map shard, and a half-charged battery. Once done, place the battery in slot to enable generator checks. Make a private lobby or invite one reliable teammate and set difficulty to normal. This stabilizes enemy counts, making the mode unlock sequence predictable and fast. You proceed by activating the 3 alternate terminals in strict sequence. North first, then east, finally central. This order seeds mode flags correctly. Once a terminal lights, solve the mini-puzzle pattern of red, blue, green within 30 seconds. Timing matters because a failed pattern resets the seed. After the 3rd terminal, keep 1 life or respawn token intact. Once the seed stabilizes, you'll convert tokens into permanent unlocks. Make sure to communicate calls. You finish by returning to the main console and scanning for green checkmarks beside each mode name. These confirm successful unlocks. If a mode is still missing, perform a soft restart. Exit to the lobby, re-enter the session, and re-trigger the central terminal. This often clears desyncs. Finally, log your sequence timestamps so you can avoid the 60-second desync window next run. Keeping a short record prevents repeat failures and speeds up future unlock attempts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.